At the break of dawn, when the world is still and the horizon stretches wide, we ride. This isn't just a journey, it's a calling, a connection between rider, machine, and the open road. Surrounded by mountains that touch the sky and lakes that mirror our freedom. With every mile, we carve our story into the landscape. One ride, one tribe, one legendary name. Indian Motorcycle.
Light it up, pedal to the metal. We're gonna take it to a whole nother level tonight. Alright, a whole nother level. I don't know what we've been waiting for. It's time to hit it like we never ever hit it before. A whole nother level. Gotta go crazy, baby, that's who we are. Get up so high, we're looking down at the stars. Tonight, we're gonna blow it all out. Gonna show everybody what the future's about. Hey, it's a whole nother level. A whole nother level. A whole nother level.